Hey there, welcome back to our series. And if you're tuning in for the first time, I'm your host, Ali. Today, we're diving into a super cool way to spice up your English conversations with a simple yet powerful sentence pattern. Ready to boost your fluency in a fun and easy way? Let's jump right in. Today's magic pattern is, you look adjective, question statement. It's a fantastic way to show you're paying attention to the person you're talking to, expressing concern, or just satisfying your curiosity about their state or appearance. The beauty of this pattern, it's incredibly versatile. Just swap out the adjective and follow-up question or statement to fit the vibe of the conversation. Here are 10 handy variations to get you started. You look tired. Didn't sleep well? Use this when someone seems a bit off their game. You look happy. Got some good news? Perfect for when you notice that extra sparkle in their eyes. You look stressed. Everything okay at work? Show your concern when someone seems overwhelmed. You look excited. What's happening? Use this when you can feel their energy buzzing. You look upset. Want to talk about it? Offer a shoulder to lean on with this one. You look cold. Forgot your jacket? A caring nudge for those chilly days. You look surprised. Didn't expect to see me? Great for a playful interaction. You look confused. Need some help with that? Lend a hand when someone's struggling to figure something out. You look thoughtful. Lost in deep thoughts? This one's for when they're in their own world pondering life's mysteries. You look distracted. Something on your mind? Show you care when they seem miles away. Now it's your turn. Think of someone you often talk to and pick a sentence pattern that you think would suit a recent interaction with them. Try it out next time you chat and see how it changes the dynamic of your conversation. Remember, the goal is to make your English as natural and engaging as possible. And using patterns like these can really help bridge the gap. That's all for today. Got any questions or your own cool sentence patterns to share? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video, and remember, keep practicing and stay curious.